Nothing beats the feeling of being out with your friends and getting notifications on your phone showing that you just made money. In today's video, I'm going to be going through some apps that will have those notifications constantly pinging your phone. You don't need to pay for anything, by the way. You don't need any fancy skills or experience. All you need to do is have your device, a working internet connection, and pay close attention to every single minute of this short money-making video. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get into it. In fact, let's start with a crazy recommendation. Just click the first link in the description box and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a complete beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. Now, you've probably seen a lot of these apps before, and maybe you've even tried them out for yourself and haven't really found one that works for you. But these apps have been really tried and tested, and they will work if you use them the right way. This right here is a screenshot from app number 1, and as you can see, in 1 month, it's made over $1,355. In case you're wondering how all these earnings were made, well, this app pays you to type words on your device. I bet you didn't see that coming. It's a platform where you get paid to write original articles. And the more people that read your articles on the platform, the more money you get to make. It's kind of like a mini blog, if you will. You never have to create your own website and try growing it from scratch to make money with this app. You would only be creating articles on an already established platform, which makes results like this more easily achievable. So the app is called Medium, and there are so many success stories with the Medium app. This article alone, I think, is somewhere between, $2,000 and $3,000. Of the 15 articles that I wrote, 12 were accepted by publications, 2 were self-published, and 1 is off being reviewed right now. Of course, these results are not typical, but how much you end up making with Medium could be subject to a lot of factors like your skill level. You may already have prior experience with typing and/or writing. And if that is so, you are already a step above the rest, because you will see success a lot faster than someone who is just getting into the whole thing. But as long as you have a passion for writing, you will definitely succeed on Medium. And another thing that can really help you is if you already use social media networks that give you access to active readers. Platforms like Twitter and Reddit can really be powerful when you need to get your articles seen by thousands of people so that you can make money. Just go to medium.com here and create an account to get started. Up next, we have an app called Steady. This app is known for giving out emergency cash grants and cash incentives to their members who need it the most. According to what it says here, on average, their members earn over $5,000 more in yearly income with their app. Now that is a lot of money. It's been featured on popular news channels and has even been endorsed by Shaquille O'Neal himself. So, before you discovered Steady, was there an app out there that you know gave you these opportunities? The Steady app is only available in the United States, so it's not worldwide just yet. But if you live in the US and you're looking for ways to increase your monthly income, then the Steady app is just what you need. All you have to do is type in your number here so you can get the link to download it in your location and start using it right away. Up next is a website called Premium Chat. This is a website that pays you for chatting with people online. It can pay you a fixed amount or as much as $5 per minute of chatting online. And depending on how active you are on the platform, you could be earning hundreds of dollars per day with this website. Now, I have used this website in the past, and here you can see how much I made with it in the period that I was testing it out. Not bad at all if I do say so myself. As soon as you create an account, you can set how much you want to earn per minute, or you can even use a flat rate if you want. And then the final thing to do is go out there and find people who want to chat with you and are willing to pay you for it. Next up, we have a website called JVZoo. Now, this website has been around for quite a long time, and it's still making its way into the top charts of the best money-making platforms to use in 2022. JVZoo is an affiliate marketing website that pays you to promote products for a lot of these brands and companies. You get paid a commission, and depending on how many sales you can bring to the company, you could be cashing out big time on JVZoo. It's one of my favorite websites to date because it has some of the highest paid offers that you will never find on any affiliate platform. It's easy to use, it works worldwide, and it gives you a lot of opportunities to earn and withdraw your payments. Definitely a website to try out if you've been considering getting into affiliate marketing, or if it's a space that you do not mind getting into. Next up is an app called ClickWorker. If getting paid to do small tasks sounds good to your ears, then the ClickWorker app is the one for you. On their platform, they pay you to do really simple tasks like typing, proofreading, research, surveys, and more. It also works in almost every country out there, and the tasks available here pay decently well for what you're doing here. It might not pay as much as the other apps we've talked about so far, but it's still worth a try if you just want an app to use in your spare time and maybe earn a couple dollars here and there. You can just come over here to this page here and download the app straight onto your smartphone. Creating an account is really easy, and immediately they will start sending you available jobs to your email that you can try out and get paid for instantly. And next up, you have another website called Flex Offers. This is another affiliate platform that pays you to promote offers and products from a bunch of established companies. You can earn good money here, and one thing I like about Flex Offers is that they have a lot of useful tools available on their platform to help you maximize your earnings. As long as you can market your affiliate offers to a good amount of people who will make a purchase so you can earn that commission. You could be well on your way to the land of big bucks in no time. So to get started with this one, just go to flexoffers.com and create your account today so that you can get started promoting these offers and making money. And last but not least is a website called Panda Research. Just as the name gives away, this is a research platform. And no, you're not getting paid to do research on pandas, even though they are undeniably cute. You're actually getting paid to do research about a bunch of topics. But research is not the only thing that you're going to be doing here. This website also pays you to do a couple of other things like completing offers and even reading emails, which pays you up to $25 per task. Now that's pretty good money considering that you can complete multiple offers in a day and be able to request your first payout within the same week. Panda Research has paid out over $2.2 million to its users to date, and I think overall it's one of the highest paying websites right now to do research. So, if you don't mind scouring the internet to find data for Panda Research to make money, then this app might be the one for you. And those are some of the best apps and websites to use right now to make money. Just start off with the ones that seem most interesting to you. Maybe some will be right for you, maybe they won't. Just go ahead and try until you find something that will help you get closer to your financial goals. And that is it for today's video. If you found this useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on, and I'll see you next time.